Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So I've got the devil oil. All those green people, they hate it. Alright, so this video is all about the fuel ETF. I won't look at Woodside. We might do that tomorrow. Might be some exciting news. But ETF wise, so we'll just have a look at the oil price to begin with. So it's that's a monthly chart. So if we go to a daily chart, because we're trying to pick a bottom, where we've got this declining wedge here. So you can see here we've held this $61 mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking like a nice green candle. If we can get through 65, that would signal a bullish pattern for the oil price. So I'll wait to see how the Woodside goes tomorrow. Okay, so the ETF fuel, so it's basically full of all the big boys. We'll go through them. You can see it's just been, even though the oil price has gone down, and we'll have a look at the relationship of the oil price to these guys. So these are the integrated, so they find it and they sell it, like, you know, through your petrol, as opposed to like Woodside, which just finds it. So Woodside, it's not in here. So if we go through the and it's this thing that's hedged in Aussie dollars too, which is good. So if the Aussie dollar does go up, and it does pay a 4+ish dividend, but obviously no franking credits come along with that. Alright, so the highest weight, it's pretty well, like, it's not overweight in any one company. Like you can see there, you know, Shell, there's about 8, like the highest is 8887666. So it's not overweight any particular company, which is good. Okay, so Exxon Mobil, and we'll go to monthly charts, because we're looking at the big picture here. So Exxon, and if we just overlay the oil price, so you can see, so the oil price is the purple line. So they pretty much do track, like, on the way up. When the oil price drops, they don't fall out of bed with it. It did this time, but you can see these companies rose with the oil price, and they've while the oil price has been coming down, these guys have just been going sideways. So I would assume if the oil price starts going up, then these guys will start going up. Okay, so it's Exxon. Then we've got Chevron. So there's no need for me to explain. I'm sure you've heard these names. But that's nice, what we call the bull flag. Up in the flag. So break in the direction of the prior trend. And we've got Canadian Natural Resources, bit of a bull pennant type formation going in there, or a squeezy. Shell. So Shell's a bit sort of range bound, but it's holding support. Then we've got BP. So BP's got this nice declining channel. Declining channels when bullish are broken. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I've been looking at penny stocks where you need to use volume, because I don't usually, but I just to sidetrack, I heard some professional on YouTube the other day saying, oh, the volume in the ETF is really good. That's positive. Alert, ETF volume does not drive the prices of these shares, and this is a great example because there's basically no flows going into the ETFs. Because do you think the money going into this fuel ETF drives the share price of Chevron? Ah, my God. Sorry, only because I just saw the volumes down here. It's the volume of the underlying shares that drive the share price, not the volumes of the ETF. I don't know if you saw that video. One of those professionals on YouTube. Okay, Total Energies. So they're sort of just range bound. Enbridge. So they're more in the pipeline business. Anyway, they've got a gig, pay a good dividend, I'd assume. So they've broken their trend line, so they're away. And then ConocoPhillips, so we all know who they are. So they're holding above this support line here. So all in all, it all looks pretty good. I won't go through any more. They're all the big boys. You get the picture. So it's a nice ETF to get exposure to fuel. If you're after Diz, then you're going to want the King Woodside. But this has been an ETF I'd been talking about, and then if you're interested, I reckon we're pretty much at the bottom. Alright, and go Trump, get rid of those UN green energy people, mate. Well done. See ya.